Welcome to Creative Bath Lab. Today I'm going to show you how to make heavily scented potpourri that lasts a while. Potpourri is used to scent a room, but it also can be used as a decorative element. If you don't have anything to scent, I got these at the dollar store. The potpourri in the bags doesn't smell at all, so it's actually perfect for scenting and making it your own. I make potpourri every year in fall, so I'll be using supplies that I already have by simply re-scenting the items that I want to use. You can also use things from right outside, like pine cones and these pokey round seeds. I actually got these from a neighbor's yard. I'm going for a rustic fall vibe, so I'll be using dried fruit and flowers as well. These are solo flowers. They're used for scent diffusing and are wonderful at soaking up lots of fragrance oil. This is orris root powder and it's used to extend scent time. There are different methods on how to use it, so be sure to refer to the description. And you'll definitely need fragrance oil for this project. I'm using fall, woods, and cinnamon scents. And a spray bottle and some gloves. There are different ways to make potpourri. There's no one right way, but after applying the oil, rub it in so that it evenly coats the item. I know what you're thinking, this looks bad, but as long as the fragrance oil is rubbed in, spread around, and isn't allowed to pool, the items will not mold. I've done this the last 10 years and I've never had an issue with it. I applied the orris root powder to any item that has cracks or crevices where it can get in. I put a lot on, then shake the extra off. For the flowers, I sprinkled some orris root powder on top and in the petal folds, then gently opened the flower up a bit so some of the powder could go down in the folds. Then spray fragrance oil on the powder. I sprayed a lot less oil on the flowers because I didn't want them to mold or to warp. For dried flower petals, lightly spray them, then gently toss them to evenly coat the petals. There are different ways to do this, but this is the quickest method. For more information on scenting solo flowers, hit the icon. Once everything is scented, let the potpourri cure for about 12 hours to soak in the oil. After, it will be dry to the touch and heavily scented. Assemble the potpourri however you want. I look at it kind of like a puzzle and basically just put things where they fit best. For best results, use a shallow bowl so the potpourri can breathe. Right here would be a perfect place to stop, but you already know I'm over the top and I always have to add extra. If you wanted to make a gift bag of potpourri, it's basically the same. Just remember to put a few fancy pieces facing out and on top, and it'll look great no matter what. Tie ribbon or raffia around the top to finish the bag, and you can also put the bag in a potpourri bowl to make a full gift set. I ended up making 2 bowls. I made one bowl, then remade it, thinking I could make it better, which was silly because they look almost exactly the same. Big bowl, small bowl, bag, it doesn't matter. It looks stunning in everything. Keep the spray bottle on hand to freshen stale potpourri. Put the potpourri anywhere to brighten up a room and add a lovely scent. Keep in mind though, the potpourri works better in smaller areas like a bathroom. Check out the description for helpful tips, the supply list, and links to other helpful videos.